Next up is the index error. This is raised whenever the integer position of an iterable does not exist. So the integer position is just the index. So here is a list. It's a 4-item list. We know how to choose items in here, like so with the integer position 0 or index 0. That's the first item. 3 is the last item. That's 99. If we go further, like 4, that doesn't exist. That's where you get that index error. So that's literally what it is. It's an index error. It doesn't matter. The negative, does not exist either. Negative 12, can't go 12 from the last, and so forth. Okay, so this is true for, could be a string, could be any of these. So S of, try to get the, 10th index, that does not exist. So anything where you can put a square brackets and then an integer into those square brackets to select one of the items is an index error. That's different than a key error, right? So a dictionary takes keys, lists, tuples, range objects, strings. They all take integers for their index position.